We're going to make a beautiful Sicilian cauliflower salad, and this recipe was inspired by going to my mum's for lunch actually last week, and she made this salad for me, and it's a really simple salad. You pre-blanch some beautiful cauliflower, and they're in abundance in autumn. We've cooked them and cooled them down. We're going to place them in a bowl, and you can see that I've created little bite-sized florets. And then I'm just going to add some simple condiments to this. So a little bit of celery for some crunch. I like the center of the celery because it's nice and it's a bit more fine to the palate. I'm going to place those in. I don't mind a few of the leaves, not too many. And then I'm going to add some capers, which is a very Sicilian ingredient, and they give a little bit of saltiness to the dish. I'm going to pop those in. And then we've got some continental parsley here, which I'm going to just chop roughly. And they kind of form part of the salad. Pop them on top. And then if you want, some anchovies, which give it a lovely saltiness. And you do need to slice these up quite finely. And in a way, the anchovies form part of the dressing, and only just a little bit, not too much. And then very simply, we're going to pour some olive oil, a good amount, extra virgin. And now we're going to add some green stuffed olives. And the olives really tie the dish together. I like to chop them with my hands, which of course you could use a chopping board. My mum loves to use lemon juice, but for me, I prefer the Bianco white condiment. It's a white wine vinegar, and I just put a splash of that, not too much. And then of course, season it with some sea salt and some cracked pepper. As much or little as you like. You could put some chili flakes in there if you want, and then just with your fingertips, just mix it through very gently. And that comes together. It actually tastes better the next day. That beautiful lunch dish. And that is my beautiful Sicilian cauliflower salad.